How to create a digital business card in Canva. Here is a concise guide on how to create a digital business card using a popular tool Canva in just a few minutes. Hi guys and welcome to this video. I'll show you step by step how to create a digital business card in Canva. So firstly, all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into canva.com. As you can see, this is the home page. Here we have home, Canva. We have first design spotlights. We have visual documents, photos and videos, print, marketing. About visual documents, we have various things. Visual sites, you can click over the one you want. Then you have docs, presentation, whiteboards, PDF editor, graphs and charts. Photos and video, we have video editor, YouTube video editor, photo collages. About print, we have business cards, invitation, have max t-shirts. Also marketing, we have logos, posters, flyers, brochures, social media, websites, stickers, your signs, QR code generator. We have also browse Canva templates, choose from thousands of free ready to use templates. Then we have Magic Studio. We have all the power of place. Then about businesses, we have Canva Enterprise, Canva Teams, Canva Contact Sales. You can select the one you want. Then we have business solutions, marketing, creative agencies, sales, communications, real estate, small and medium businesses, startups, franchise, and all business solutions. Use case, content creation, visual communication, brand management, team collaboration, asset management, brainstorm and workshop, branded templates, productivity and workflow. About resources, we have business resources, case studies, feature integration and apps, security, enterprise onboarding services. So about education, we have teacher and schools, create and collaborate visually in the classroom, students also, teaching resources, integrations, LMS integrations, case studies, higher education, become an education creator. All you have to do is click over the one you want. Here we have create and publish your own resources on Canva and earn by sharing. Then we have here what we designed today. Canva makes it easy to create and share professional design. We can just start designing. Here we have a lot of things: posters, resumes, logos, docs, whiteboards, presentations, social, videos, websites, Instagram posts, brochures, and photo editor. Then we have here a perfect fit for everyone. We have Canva free for designing or working on anything. We have here for one person. You can get Canva free by clicking over here. Then we have Canva Pro for growing your brand or passion project with premium features. For one person, you can just click over here to start free tutorial. Then we have here for your team Canva Teams for teams to create together with premium workplace tools and workplace software teams tutorial or contact sales. Then we have here trusted by well-known companies, as you can see. Then here we have create with EA, define the way you can create with Magic Studio or sites of EA powered tools that generate copy in your print voice with Magic Write and transform your photos with Magic Edit. Then we have also design with others, invite friends and family to design with you, or set your whole team up to work together. Our collaboration features let you comment and work in real team on presentations, whiteboards, talks, videos, or that birthday party planning. Then we have templates for absolutely anything. Customize an office templates or design something more personal like an invitation. You can choose the one you want. We have a first invitation, so you can see here. And you have the plan that get down to business, empower everyone to design together with Canva teams. We have first EA powered efficiency, leverage EA to create and print copy templates and video editing. We have also bring your print in-house, set up print kits and templates for your team to design with. Then beautiful approval flows easily control individual permissions, assign tasks, and share your work. All I have to do is click over here, explore Canva Teams. Then we are full of surprises. Here are some of our best traits you might not know about. So we have Classroom, business loves us, we make presentation easy, we have a video editor, we are free for classrooms and other things also. So creating a digital business card can be a great way to share your content information easily and efficiently. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a digital business card. The first step, we have to choose a platforms or app. Select a platforms or application first. There are several apps and platforms available for creating digital business cards, such as Canva, Adobe Spark, Vistaprint, and dedicated apps like Hey Hi Hello, Card also, or Haystack. Then step 2 is sign up or log in. Create an account or log in. If you are using an app, download it from your app store and create an account or log in if you already have one. Then the step 3 is select a template browse. Browse templates first. Most platforms offer a variety of templates. Choose a template that fits your brand or personal style. Then select a template. Click on the template to start customizing it. Then the step 4 is customize your digital business card. Then add your logo, upload your company logo. Most platforms will have an option to add an image or logo. Then enter your information, include your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, website, and any other relevant information. Then customize the design, change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Most platforms allow you to drag and drop elements to create a design that you like. Then we have add social media links, include icons and links to your social media profiles to make it easy for people to connect with you online. Step 5, we have save and export. Preview your card first before finalizing. Preview your digital businesses cards to make sure everything looks good. Then save your card. Save your design. Most platforms will save your card and your account for future edits. Then export your card. Export your digital business card as a PNG or PDF file. Some apps also allow you to share your card via a QR code. Then the last step is share your digital business card via email. Attach your digital business card to your email signature so that every email we send includes your contact information. Then we have social media. Share your digital business card on your social media profiles or send it directly to your contacts. Then we have QR code. If your platform provides a QR code, you can print it on physical materials or display it digitally for others to scan it and save your contact information. Sorry. So by following this step, you can create a professional and catching digital businesses cards that you can easily share with others in a variety of ways. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.